In most AI interactions today, communication is one way. A user provides a prompt and the agent generates a response. But in real world scenario, an agent may not always have enough context to proceed. Sometimes it needs clarifications, additional details, or user preferences before completing a task. This is where the Ask Questions tool becomes important. This tool allows custom agents to ask questions back to the user, enabling a two-way communication instead of a simple prompt response interactions. In this video, we will explore how to integrate Ask Questions tool as part of your custom agents. We'll start with a simple example, then see how agents can ask multiple questions, how agents can dynamically generate questions and options, and finally look at scenarios where questions can include options and explanations to guide the user. By the end of this video, you will understand how to use this tool to build more interactive and intelligent custom agents. Let us start by adding a custom agent. In our current project, there are no custom agents configured yet. So we will navigate to GitHub Copilot chat window and create a new custom agent. Inside the repository, custom agents are defined under .github/agents. Let us name it as say agent 1. By default, the agent file comes with a basic structure. Let me update the description to match our scenario. The agent is act as a sample testing agent to demonstrate the custom agent capabilities. Next, I will update the argument hint. Now moving to the configuring the tools. Search for VS Code. Inside VS Code tools list, you will find Ask Questions. Currently, this capability is supported only in VS Code, not in other IDEs. So this is VS Code specific tool. For this demonstration, I will use only the Ask Questions tool. The remaining tools are removed. Now let us define the instructions for the agent. The agent should only perform the actions that we explicitly define here. Since the goal is to demonstrate the Ask Questions tool, we start with specifying you must exactly follow what we define here. The first step is use VS Code Ask Questions agent to ask user a specific question, that is, what is your favorite programming language? This is an open-ended question, so the interface shows a text input box where the user can type a response. Then the second step is to get the response from the user and display the response back to the user. Instead of using VS Code/Ask Questions, it's always suggested or recommended to use hash tools context variable to define the selected tools. In this case, hash tools VS Code/Ask Questions. Always refer the tools inside the custom agent using hash tools. Let us move to demonstration or testing this agent. Navigating to chat window. Once you hover on the agent, you will get the tooltip as the description defined, which explains what's the use of the agent. And the selection brings the agent hint as part of the chat box. So agent hint acts as a placeholder in the chat box. Replace it with the user prompt. We are testing with a greeting, hello. Agent will respond with the first question, that is, what is your favorite programming language, and ask the user to enter the value. There is no options specified here. Once the user entered, the agent captured the response and summarized it back to the user. Let us move to the second example. Here, I will modify the agent instructions to support more realistic scenario. In this case, I want the agent help to design a VS Code extension. The agent should ask clarification questions about the feature requirements. then generate a detailed implementation plan, a list of to-do for development. The agent now performs 3 steps. Ask dynamically the questions to clarify the requirement, generate a detailed implementation plan, produce an implementation to-do list. Now let us test this agent. Since we are building an extension, I'll give a very simple prompt of defining an extension to analyze logs. Notice that the prompt doesn't contain many details. Let us see how the agent uses dynamic questions to gather additional informations. Interestingly, in this case, I did not explicitly define any questions in the agent instructions. The agent itself generates contextual questions related to VS Code extension development and the log analysis. The first question is popped up: which log source should I use for the extension? Several log formats are provided as options. For example, I can select the log files and JSON format and move to the second question, which is more about the outcomes. How the outcomes, whether error summarization, anomaly detection, what exactly you need. Next, the agent asks where the result should appear inside VS Code. In total, the agent asking around 7 questions, one after the other, to clarify the requirements. Notice how these questions are highly relevant to both VS Code extension development and the prompt log analysis functionality. Finally, the last question asks for any additional requirements for the phase 1 implementation. Once all the answers are collected, the agent analyzes the responses and generates a detailed implementation plan and an implementation to-do list. This completes the workflow defined in our custom agent. So far, I have covered a simple single question agent, multiple dynamic clarification questions. Now let us explore the third example. In this scenario, we will define our own questions with predefined options. Here, the agent will ask 3 questions. What is your name? What is your favorite programming language? What is your favorite colors? And we define the options for 2 of the questions, that is favorite programming language and the colors. Defining random answers for the first one, programming question, and going with the second one, colors. After collecting the responses, the agent will summarize the results. For second and third questions, as I mentioned, we added the options. Let us test this agent by passing a simple greeting again, like a try now. The agent is going to render the first question with a set of names and an option for a custom name. Here, these names or the options are coming as dynamic. We haven't defined the options for the first question as part of our custom agent. And the second and third questions have the options defined as part of the custom agent. After selecting the options, Copilot correctly summarized the responses back to the user. Now let us look for one more improvement. Currently the options appear without any explanation. However, earlier when the agent generated dynamic questions, each option included a short explanation describing what it meant. This is useful in scenarios like forms, multiple choice questions, user configuration screens, etc. To support this, we can add labels or explanation for each options. For example, I will define several programming languages, and for each language, I will define a short description explanation for its use case. Similarly, for favorite colors also, we are adding the explanation as part of the options. Remove the quotes from the questions and answers. Now going ahead and testing. Notice that how the options now appear with descriptions displayed below each option, which provide more clarity to the user how to choose the options out of multiple options. To summarize, the Ask Questions tool enables two-way communication between users and custom agents. This is part of the built-in agents already. Instead of making assumptions, agents can now ask clarifications, gather additional information, and guide the user through structured choices before completing a task. In this video, we explore how to ask simple questions, handle multiple questions, generate dynamic questions, provide options with explanations, help users respond easily. By enabling this interactive workflow, your agents can become more reliable, more accurate, and more user-friendly. If you are building custom agents, incorporating this Ask Questions tool is an important step forward for creating smarter and more collaborative AI experience. See you in the next video.